Hi, and welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today we've got a very quick review of the TAG Heuer Sub 300 Professional in orange. I'm not really a huge fan of orange dials because I feel like they're not very versatile. They're much more of a summer watch, which makes sense. But actually, having seen this one, I really do like it. Maybe it's the mixture of the teak pattern along with the orange, but it really contrasts really well. I think you've got a few different colours here. You've got these applied white indices, the black ceramic outside dial, the bezel, and the texture. It all combines beautifully, providing different colours, different textures, different heights, very sort of strong 3D effect, and I guess even the fact that the bezel is is not your usual circular shape, just really gives it something different, very angular. I really like it. It's something that, again, I never really considered, and I think lots of watches say this, where it looks better in videos than photos, and I agree. Actually, I think this is one where the stock photography actually doesn't do it justice, and in person it looks a degree above, and I'm very keen to kind of keep shimmering around the different bits of natural light because I think it really helps to sell it. You've got all your usual stuff here with your on-the-fly adjustment, very easy to use on this one, and a solid case back, 300 meters of water resistance with a, they call it a Calibre 5, but effectively a Celita running at 4 Hertz underneath. But really, I think it's something for the summer where you're looking for that pop of colour. This is really eye-catching. I have the ones in blue, which is all blue, which is a bit more subtle, which is sporty, but this is kind of eye-catchingly sporty. So this actually impressed me a lot more than I originally anticipated. And just putting through in the comparison here, you can see that the orange really is more eye-catching than the other two. Blue, quite safe, very nice, very classy, I think timeless, but you can see the orange really does stick itself apart from the others. The white and black is quite nice as well. Reminds me of the Seamaster, which also has the same colour variant, but you can see for the kind of the summer choice, it's clear which one really wins it. To put it a bit further down the wrist, again, I think there's much less overhang, especially if you put it off the collarbone. Again, it makes it really easy to adjust it with the on-the-fly adjustment. So yeah, I think even with much smaller wrists like me with 6.25-inch wrists, definitely something you can wear, especially I think this colour variant where you're more likely to wear it by the pool in the summer, in a casual look, where something a bit chunkier and a bit oversized works really well. So yeah, do check this one out and do like and subscribe. Thanks.